Hey, gardeners! Worried about October frost ruining your garden? Don't panic. Frost can be tough, but today I'll share 4 super simple tricks to keep your plants safe as the nights get colder. Let's dive in.
Cover with frost blankets or sheets.
Covering plants with frost blankets or even old bed sheets traps heat from the soil, keeping your plants warmer. Make sure the cover doesn't touch the leaves. Directly use stakes to prop it up a little. This small step can make a big difference. Use milk jugs or water bottles. Cut the bottom off milk jugs or water bottles and place them over smaller plants. These act like mini greenhouses, trapping warmth. Just remember to remove them during the day to avoid overheating. Cardboard or plastic bags. Old cardboard or plastic bags make great frost shields. Place them over plants overnight, but remove them during the day so your plants get sun and air. Add a cozy layer of mulch. Mulch insulates the roots of ground-level plants. Add a thick layer of straw, wood chips, or leaves around the base to keep the soil warmer.
When to stop protecting.
Temps below 32 F cover plants overnight. Temps below 40 F, overnight protection helps. Temps below 50 F during the day, insulating plants can help with cooler nights. Plants that need extra care. Certain plants need extra protection from frost. Young plants not fully frost-resistant yet. Thin-leaved plants more prone to freezing. Non-native plants more sensitive to cold, minimizing frost damage. To prepare, harden off plants, water regularly, and prune to improve air circulation, keeping frost from settling, recovering from frost damage. If frost strikes, inspect for damage. Trim away blackened or mushy areas. Water and fertilize to boost recovery. There you go. With these simple tips, your plants can survive October's frosty nights. Found this helpful? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Stay cozy and see you in the next video.